Coming up, we explore parts of the Hutton National Nature Reserve with its beautiful rocky and woodland trails. We take the time to take photos of our cranky dog Valo, enjoy the views before carrying him to safety when the terrain got unsuitable. Stay till the end for bloopers and funny moments. The GPS and what free words can be found in the description. The marked map locations relate to video chapters, and feel free to pause to inspect the route. Let the journey begin. This is a bit of an impromptu journey in our travels around the lakes. We're here visiting family, but as always, we like to explore Cumbria and the Lake District. It's an absolute beautiful part of this country. I want to go explore it. Valo and Christy have ventured on ahead. As always, I'm capturing footage, taking photos, and then realising they're about a mile ahead of me. So I'm going to go get caught up. See you in a bit. And let's travel around this beautiful landscape. Let's journey on. This journey felt more like an excursion, transporting us from world to world. From the open plains to the overgrown trail and into the wooded areas. The winding brush seems to go on for ages. It's quite overgrown but very passable. Every now and then you come into these lovely woodland areas that you can take shade by the trees and just take it all in. Going past some stones now, and I believe there's a lot more rockery in this area. I'm going to go explore and get caught up because I can hear Valo barking in the distance. Let's see what mischief he's got up to, and let's journey on. Although overgrown and a few rocks, this route is very easy to traverse. There's a lot of rocks in this area. It almost makes me want to go climb, explore, and I believe they are dotted throughout this place. Just going to take stock of it all and then journey on. The combination of rocks and wooded areas makes for a beautiful expedition, but you will come to clearings you can settle in and relax. It's absolutely stunning. The views are amazing, and I think we're going to set up shop here, get a bit of a drink, because myself and Valo definitely are in need of one. I'm going to take in all those views and journey on from there. Alright Valo, let's have a drink and then we'll journey on. It has been an absolutely beautiful day. We're starting to lose the light now and we're venturing back onto the car park. Sometimes you just need a random journey. You don't need a destination. All you need is the great outdoors and all the beauty around you. Take care of each other, stock up on water as always. Oh, it's so typical, talking about losing light, heading back to the car, and we end up getting lost and stumbling upon the Trig Point by accident. It never ceases to amaze me what you might do if you just adventure on. Now I am going to look into that sunset at the lakes and journey on. After observing the view of the sea, we navigate through the area, past some trees, and hop over some stones to the next location. The sights are absolutely brilliant here, but I'd be wary when you're taking your dogs. The rocks can get slippery, there's gaps where their paws can get stuck. I wouldn't say it's the greatest place to explore. We're navigating away from them and back to the car. Let's journey on. Valo was rather shook up by the rocks and was too nervous stepping over them. As such, Christy picked him up, carried him down, and I guided them safely. We've got back on track now, back into the woodlands and back on the trail. I've probably said this a few times, although stunning, the rocks, beautiful views, it's no place for a dog. If you do come here, maybe avoid those and just maybe take turns to take photos of the landscape. Like I said, my journeys here are always about, travels with the dog and Christy, and keeping them safe is of utmost importance. I'm going to journey on and I hope you enjoy these travels. I have no idea what's in the backdrop, it's probably ugly as hell. Here are some outtakes, bloopers and funny moments from our journey. Don't take life too serious, we don't, and nor does Valo. I'm wondering how much of that shot's just me breathing and rattling. Well, that was some fun boulders to get through. I'm sure there's some footage somewhere of me falling down these and making a complete fool of myself. Whoa, trick number 2. Valo photo shoot! Never goes right. Christy fell, I'll take it.
Why is it whenever we get lost, all I think about is that bit from Resident Evil. Who just says, "We're all going to die down here."
Outtake! Up we go! Ow, ow. Ah. Short suck. Yeah, for when we get lost, we pick up Doggo. Come on now, let's journey on. Oh my god, I can't turn it off.
I really hope it's gone far enough down that I miss that bit where it's just
You'll never escape the field of ferns. I present to you a brush full of ferns. We really appreciate you staying till the end. Consider liking this video and checking out our other content. If you want to see future content, consider subscribing and checking out Valo's Instagram. Details are in the description. I hope you enjoyed this journey. Why not check out these? All the best on your journey, and until the next video, goodbye now.